Out of hand soap? Dove Gentle Exfoliating Body Wash is just as effective for cleaning hands. Mild and pH balanced, Dove Gentle Exfoliating Body Wash includes Moisture Renew Blend, a combination of skin natural nourishers and plant-based moisturizers that absorb into the top layers of skin. Number 1 Dermatologist Recommended Body Wash refreshes skin with a gently exfoliating formula that leaves your skin softer and smoother than a shower gel can. Thoughtfully made, this body wash is PETA-certified, cruelty-free and made in 100% recycled plastic bottles, so you can feel good about switching from shower soap to Dove. Plant-based moisturizer, naturally derived cleansers and skin natural nutrients. Dove Gentle Exfoliating Body Wash helps to look after your microbiome, your skin's living protective layer. Care as you clean, the cleansing efficacy and care you need, all in one product. Top reviews from the United States. A first-time buyer's honest review. I absolutely love the smell, it's a nice clean scent. As for the body wash itself, it's amazing. It doesn't dry out my skin too much, and I've noticed that the little bumps I used to have on my arms have drastically disappeared since I've used this body wash. Not to mention the price isn't too bad. Overall, I'm very satisfied and you'll definitely be buying this product again.